Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Tiandra Oriana, and this is part 2 of me turning this wig from black to burgundy. I will be installing it in this video. If you have not seen the video of me actually coloring it burgundy, I will leave that somewhere on the screen so y'all can watch it. It's super detailed and it came out super cute. So I'm going to put my concealer shade on there, and I already did my bald cap off camera and I'm trying the wig on. And I ended up changing the part. Like, I thought I wanted a middle part, but I ended up doing a side part, and I'm just seeing how it fits me because I have to cut off the extra lace. This wig is a 360 wig, so you can put it up in a bun and all that. So for this go round, I actually did not pluck that much on the canvas head. I don't know, I think I was being lazy and I just didn't feel like doing it at the time. So I ended up just plucking it on my head, and I actually like this method way better, to pluck the wig more on your head, because you can actually see where your hairline is at. You won't pluck too much off. So I do suggest doing this. I think I'm going to start doing this now. I'll pluck a little bit on the canvas head and then the rest will be plucked on my head or my client's head. I just like this better because, like I said, you can really see where your hairline starts and begins at. And it just looks natural because I didn't pluck too much off. I know, like, in the past I've had the troubles of plucking way too much off because I thought that's where the hairline started when it really didn't. And as you can see, that looks super natural. Not too much is plucked off. It looks really natural. It's not bald whatsoever. And of course, I'm using Erica J's Hold Me Down adhesive. I used the Skin Guard in the beginning of the video, and I'm just going to install my wig. I think I used about like 4, maybe 5 layers because I wanted it to stay on a little longer. So I used between 4 or 5 layers. I'm smoothing it out with the popsicle stick. Y'all already know. After I laid the wig down, I put on my elastic band and I let that sit on for probably like 30 minutes, maybe 20-30 minutes, just to let it melt. And I'm gonna use my scissors to cut the lace. I go in between using my scissors and my razor. It really just depends how I feel that day. So when you use a scissor, make sure that you're going like a zigzag motion, because it is noticeable. If the lace isn't HD lace, it is noticeable that you cut the lace straight across. So just go in a zigzag motion, and it is easier if you do it with the razor because the razor cuts it jagged. And now I'm just pulling out some edges and my baby hairs for both sides, you know, just seeing how I want to do it. Alright, and after I pull out my baby hairs, I like to always put on some kind of holding spray. So this is the Got To Be Freeze Blast, and then I'm going to put on my elastic band, let that melt. While that's melting, I take the time to press out the hair. So I put on my wax stick and, you know, get it nice and flat the way that I like it. And then after that, it's time for me to take off the elastic band. As you can see, that is melted. She is so melted. Looks just like skin, scalp. And I don't have a small flat iron or the pencil flat iron, so I just use what I got. I'm gonna have to get one of those because I burnt the crap out of my finger. I cut that out because that was so embarrassing, but I burnt the crap out of my finger because it was so hard to curl them. Between, sometimes I use Got To Be gel or I use mousse. Sometimes I use like eco styling gel. It really depends how I feel that day. I didn't want them to be like crunchy, so I just use some Nairobi mousse. You want to use Nairobi mousse or any mousse that doesn't have alcohol in it, because if it does, it will lift your lace right on up, and Nairobi mousse does not have any alcohol in it, so that is why I use it. And this is like the next day, so that's why I look different, and I'm redoing the baby hairs because, like I said, this is the next day, so I'm just, you know, fixing them up, giving myself that side part again. I use a dime size amount of the cheese silk infusion. A little goes a long way. I don't want the hair to feel too greasy and weighed down, so I just do a little bit and I'm good. This is how it looks. And can y'all believe that this wig used to be black? If y'all have not seen that video of me transforming this wig from black to red without bleach, click the link somewhere on the screen or down below. I haven't tried to curl this hair yet, but I'm pretty sure it will curl because it's body wave. And that is the end of the video. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you are returning, don't forget to like. Follow me on all my socials. They will be left down below. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.